Okay, tapos na tayo sa ledger. So, okay, ulit-ulit ako last video na. So, after journalizing, gagawa tayo ng ledger. Then after that, gagawa tayo ng unadjusted trial balance po, no? So, since tapos na nga tayo sa ledger, again, wag muna natin papansin lahat ng naka-blue. Ang papansinin po natin lahat ng ending balance muna, which is 258,700, 40,000, 60,000, 70,000, 50,000, 10,000, 80,000, 300,000, 50,000, 140,000, 1,300. Okay, wala na ng iba kasi yung red and blue is hindi muna natin papansin, no? So, ito yung mga amount na kailangan natin gawin para sa trial balance natin. So, paano ba natin siya magagawa? Kaya yung trial balance is from the chart of account. So, copy lang natin to, chart of account, from cash to depreciation equipment. So, meron tayong 258,700 ang cash kasi kinuha natin sa ledger natin na 258,700. And we have prepaid accounts receivable 40,000 kasi nakuha din natin sa ledger natin na 40,000 pesos. Then we have 60,000 kasi nakuha din natin yung 60,000 pesos. Then we have 70,000 supplies. Nakuha din natin sa supplies from the ledger, which is 70,000 pesos. Then we have 50,000 from office equipment, which is 50,000 yung end balance. Then we have 10,000 from accounts payable kasi naka-credit siya, meaning ang nature niya or ang increase niya is 10,000 is yung nasa credit side, which is 10,000 pesos. So, ang liabilities, we have accounts payable. Titingnan natin sa, titingnan natin sa ledger. Sorry na ba? Okay, again, we have accounts payable. We have 10,000 pesos. So, 10,000 pesos. Ang unearned revenue, meron din tayo. We have unearned revenue na 80,000 pesos. Okay, next we have capital, which is 300,000 pesos. Yung capital, so titingnan natin yung capital, nandito po yung capital, no? 300,000 yung end balance. Pag muna natin papansin yung mga naka-red, no? So we have 300,000. Withdrawal natin, mayroon ba tayo? Withdrawal is 50,000. We have 50,000 ng withdrawal naka-debit, no? Kasi yung withdrawal, consider natin expense kasi personal expense natin. So we have service revenue, which is 140,000. 140,000 daw yung service revenue. So we have, okay, tama, no? And balance natin sa ledger 140,000. Kukupihin lang natin. Then we have expenses. Mayroon ba tayong red expense? Sa adjusting entry pa to. Supplies, wala pa to. Kasi sa adjusting entry pa to mangyayari. We have utilities expense kasi based sa journal entry natin na 1,300. So, based din to sa ledger na nakuha natin sa utilities expense, 1,300. Okay, we have to add everything, dapat po balance. So, 258,700 plus 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 70,000 plus 50,000 plus 50,000 plus 1,300, we have a debit amount of equals to 530,000. So, dapat pareho siya ng amount sa kabila. Although, nakita nyo naman na pareho, so, i-add natin, no? So, 10,000 plus 80,000 is 90,000 plus 300,000 is 390,000 plus 140,000 is actually 530,000. So, that means tama po ang ating pinaggagawa, no? So, 530,000 debit side is equal to 530,000. So, tama po ang ating sagot. Okay, next video, we will prepare an adjusting entry. No? Adjusting entry po tayo. Bye-bye. See you on the next video.